This is sequence class 7, and in this class I am going to be discussing with us this question you are seeing on the board. Remember, we're still handling WAEC examinable questions, and I'm trusting God this one too. You are going to learn from it as well, and you know it's going to be a wonderful experience for you. Okay, stay put. All right, in this question it says this question has to do with handling problems that come from the rule that is generating a sequence. In the last class, either class 4 or class 5, I've been able to show us how to derive these rules from a given sequence. Okay, so it's very possible that one is given this type of question. The nth term of a sequence is En equals to 5 plus, in brackets, n minus 1, bracket closes, squared. The question is find T4 minus T6. How can one be able to handle that? How can you be able to handle that? Okay, so you are going to see how we are going to do it. The next is, if un is equals to n in brackets n squared plus 1, evaluate u5 minus u4. This one is WAEC examinable question of 2013, as you can see. All right, let's go. Solution is simple. T4, you first of all write that Tn is equals to, as given, 5 plus in bracket n minus 1. I'm answering the question A. Okay, all squared. So what will be T4? T4 will be equals to 5 plus 4 minus 1 squared. That will give us that T4 is equals to 5 plus 3 raised to power 2. It then means that T4 is equals to 5 plus 9, and that is what? That is 14. You keep it. T6 will be 5 plus bracket 6 minus 1 squared. T6 is equals to 5 plus, this will be 5 raised to power 2. That means that T6 is equals to 5 plus 5 squared is 25 plus 5, that's 30. So T6 is 30. So what is the meaning of T4 minus T6? Will simply be 14 minus 30. And what is that going to give us? 14 minus 30, 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 minus 4 is 26. It will be negative, minus 26. So that's the result. I'm sure that is very clear. All right, so let's move on. In the second question B, I'll say u subscript n is equals to n bracket n squared plus 1. So they're asking us to evaluate u5 minus u4. So what will be u5 here? It will be 5 bracket 5 raised to power 2 plus 1. So this is 5 multiplying 25 plus 1. And that will give us that u5 is equals to, that place appears to be 2. u5 is equals to 5 times 26. So u5 will be equals to, what is 5 times 26? 5 times 26, 130, 130. Okay, what about the next u4? Also, u4 is equals to 4 in bracket 4 raised to power 2 plus 1. So this will be 4 in bracket 16 plus 1, which is 4 times 17. And that is going to give us 4 times 17. That's 68. 68. All right. Therefore, U5 minus U4 will be 130 minus 68. This is 2. This remaining 2, take 1 here, make it 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So this is 0. So I'm thinking this is the result. Okay, so this is how to handle problems like this that can come from rules that generate a function, a sequence. I'm trusting God that my explanation is sufficient enough to help you to understand this type of question when it is given to you. Okay, thank you so much for being part of the class. I remain Victor Odigoma here. Please subscribe to this channel. We have a lot to do. We have a lot of problems to solve. I promise you that any topic I pick, I will discuss it in detail. I will discuss it in detail. Every bit of it. This is the 6th or 7th class now we are in one topic. A sequence has 2 parts: arithmetic progression and geometric progression. We have not gone into geometric progression. I told you that we might spend up to 15 classes discussing this. That's the way I want it. So that when you study here, you know you learn something and you can be able to stand anywhere to use it to tackle any problem you want to handle out there. All right, that's how we are going to go across all the topics, and God helping us, we have in mind that before the next 6 months we should have up to 500 classes running on YouTube. Please be part of this project. Support us in your own way. Be part of what we are doing, and anyway, we intend to make this project to be more standard to affect lives out there. Thank you.